this is a bit girly, but if you are interested in Coquette Aesthetic look, we're gonna, you know, put back our hair in ribbons and put on the ivory lace, because that's pretty much what this aesthetic really kind of fits. It's like flirty, frilly, lacy, girly. All of those terms kind of embody this particular nail look. But again, we're keeping it easy and we're keeping it simple. Look at that, really nice, simple, pretty. And yes, M157, this was such cute plate. And if any of you remember, if you guys were hardcore fans, what shape did this plate come in? Look how cute. If you want to, you can easily color these bows in, but like even like this, it's so cute and so simple. So yes, this is M346 because it's not only flames, which is really hot, but also because it has little hearts in them. So who doesn't love that? So we're gonna pick up a portion of this design, because this part you can get as creative as you want to. So don't worry about making it like, oh, I have to make it like Tiana. You make it as creative as you want to. You know, you can make stamping as straightforward or as unique. So look at how cute these turned out. They're super simple. So let me know which is your fave.